Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Razia Riaz from grade 9th. As we know that education it's a tripolar process where three basic elements, the teacher, the student and the parents come together to make a balanced and effective learning. The first one is teacher. टीचर का रोल सिर्फ नॉलेज देना नहीं होता बल्कि वो एक गाइड, एक मेंटर होते हैं. The teachers provide structure and direction for learning, and it's their ability to connect with students, and that really makes a difference. The student contributes to the learning process through their previous experiences, interests, and motivations. And the third one is parents. Parents contribute to the learning process. They not only provide emotional support but also offer guidance to the students. Learning journey throughout the year.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu to one and all watching this right now. We all have heard this. Work hard, get good grades, and you'll get success. But is that really all that it takes? Is success all about marks? Well, I'm Nadia Tasneem from class 10, and I really believe that there is something more important than this, and that's discovering your hidden potential. We know the students of the current era. They're just running after marks, chasing grades while sacrificing everything. Sports, creativity, real learning, just for marks. But I really believe that grades are not enough. Well, it's a fact that most of our students right now have no idea about our natural strengths, the unique gifts within us. Everybody is gifted with something special, yet unfortunately, we are too busy in memorizing to discover it. Instead of forcing ourselves, why not take a step towards exploring what really excites us? But how can this be achieved? Well, the answer lies in changing our approach. The schools. Schools must promote hands-on learning. Teachers must inspire other than textbooks. And most importantly, we as students must try our level best to seek our potential. Because in this real world, passion, courage and knowledge matters more than numbers.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Dia Iqbal and I'm a student of 10th grade from Green Valley Educational Institute, Pyaripura. Regarding the concept of transformative education, I honestly believe that it's very good. It fosters critical thinking and overall it is just very good. But despite all of the advantages that this transformative education possesses, it gives you a lot of stress. Because you see, maximum schools today, they just focus on academics, goals, marks, grades, which is not everything. You see, when you take part in a lot of demanding co-curricular activities that you are provided, whether that be supports, presentations, anything, just anything other than studying, you learn important life skills like time management, prioritization. Because how are you going to prioritize your things when you have nothing to prioritize? You just have to study. That gives you a lot of stress. So I think this is a feature that this transformative education should adopt. Because school is not only about learning, school is not only about marks and grades, but it's also about in helping you to become a good person.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Afan Mir from class 7A and I want to talk about the importance of sports. So in most of the schools in JNK, sports is not considered as an important element and a subject. But sport is more important than we think. So today I am talking about the importance of sports. I want to start my speech with these lines. खेल है जिंदगी का एक हिस्सा जो हमें सख्त रखती है और जिंदा दिल बनाती है. स्पोर्ट्स हमें टीम वर्क, कम्युनिकेशन एंड लीडरशिप स्किल्स सिखाते हैं. स्पोर्ट्स हमें फिजिकली एंड मेंटली स्ट्रांग बनाते हैं. वी नीड टू अप्लाई वन रूल इन आवर लाइफ दैट आई एम सेइंग नाउ. स्पोर्ट्स से हम सीखेंगे, स्पोर्ट्स से हम जीतेंगे, स्पोर्ट्स से हम अपने सपनों को पूरा करेंगे. तो आइए स्पोर्ट्स को हम अपने जिंदगी का और अपने एजुकेशन सिस्टम का एक हिस्सा बनाएं. Let's make sports a part of our life and become more healthier and happier and more successful individuals.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Fatah Iqbal from grade 6 and I would like to welcome you in our school, the Green Valley Educational Institute, Pyaripura.
Well, let me tell you, our school has everything what this modern era demands out of a school. In our school, there is an establishment of lead system that help the student to study effectively. We furthermore have smart boards and smart TVs that track the attention of students regarding study. Well, in our school, we're under CCTV surveillances and every activity is monitored by high authority. And our school management gives us support twice in a month, and that makes us energetic. Literally feeling proud as a student of Green Valley, and by saying the name of Green Valley, that gives me full confidence. Alhamdulillah, I'm the student of Green Valley. Thank you very much.